Hi there, I'm shooting a video for laptopscreen.com. We're replacing the screen in my Acer ES1-512 series, model number MS2394. The screen that I have is a 15.6 inch widescreen, and it's going to be compatible with this model. I'm going to talk you through the install of this. I've already to get the screen off, you need to work your way through, work your way around the screen, which I've already done to cut down the video time. You get inside here, begin working your way out. You can pop these out, pop all these guys off, pop these up to get access to the back of your, to get access to your screen. Remove that little plastic cover. There are 4 screws that hold your laptop, that mount your laptop screen. I've already removed those. I've got them sitting right over here, just out of the way. Just any small screwdriver will take those out. Again, at this point, I'm removing the old screen. Just a little piece back here that has to pull out. This is my first laptop screen replacement ever, so just bear with me for a second. Peel this piece of tape back. I powered my computer on, that's no good. Gotta shut it back off. Sorry about that. Okay, you just want to get these, you just want to pull it free from these pins. So that's what we've done here. Taking the old screen out of the way. My new screen from laptopscreen.com. Place it right here in the same spot. And insert this guy right in there. Just a quick little snap in. Apply the tape to this one, kind of hold it in there. Before I screw everything down, I'm going to just power it on and take a look. And that's what she should look like, ladies and gentlemen. To finish this thing up, I'm just going to line up these 4 screw holes and put it back in, 2 on top, 2 on the bottom, and then snap my plastic case back around, and that should be all there is to it. Thing appears to be running well. Windows 10 will be booting up, no problem. Thanks for watching.